Kira, don't smile at all.
What's going on? And the mystery client finally gets to see the Jesse James original. If he's not as happy as we are.
Koopa. Smile at the camera.
Not like that.
You're gonna fall. Look, you're upsetting Kazi.
Mia, what'd you make with Sissy?
Tell Daddy about the gingerbread house.
We made it at the gingerbread house with these candies. And when I had to do, I helped her. Now we're done already about the gingerbread house. And Sissy made the tree with colors of green, but we were out of that green. So we thought we should have some white and a mix of green. And when we finished the house, and we need to take a picture and a video. So what did we do? And smile, and we should take a picture of the gingerbread house. Should we?
So what was your job?
I don't know. I do. I know, huh? My job was helping her.
Still not clear, Mom.
What?
I feel like I did it by myself.
I'm done, Dad.
You done?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No.
Let me take some video of the gingerbread house. Okay, turn it around so Daddy can see it. Wow. Good job. Okay. Okay, say bye.